VMS software on our SCI platform, we are able to improve their performance minimum 2x. So that's why they preferring us, and that's why we are focusing more on surveillance market nowadays. Plus, yes, 100% the all scale out cases, all flash cases, we have the advantages. So that is also one of the market segment we are focusing. So like HFTs, we are focusing with stock market and other, because they need the high performance storage as well as high performance computing. So specific, we are very specific. Wherever high performance is required, we are present. And also we are focusing on universities, because they are looking for high end storage with high performance for the deep learning. So that is also one of the segment we are focusing. So likewise, that other companies are having their CVM, or they are using the other vendors like Fortinet, virtual firewall. Same way we can also use the other third party firewalls. But one very positive thing with our 3Gen is we are block based KVM software. That's why while the ransomware attack cannot reach to our snapshots, and that is one of the advantage with 3Gen, because we are block based and ransomware attack is not happening. So you are secure while you are using 3Gen HCI. Yes, we are. 3Gen is a complete software company. We have a storage software and the HCI software. We have the other offerings also for the deep learning market with the tie-up of NVIDIA. So we are NVIDIA powered GPU servers in 3Gen. So next year we are looking for 100 CR in India, and in next 3 years I am 100% sure, not in 3 years, say 5 years, we will be minimum 500 crore in India. Okay. India business. So 500 CR is the target for next 5 years. Very good question actually. You can see the market is completely changing towards AI. Nowadays data centers also are the AI driven data centers. That's why we came up with one offering, which is data center with GPU enabled data centers, where we can have the VMs with GPUs. So we are the company which is focusing data centers which are totally AI driven data centers. So there again we have a partnership with NVIDIA, and in our HCI cluster we are giving the NVIDIA GPUs like their Titan series, their Tensor Core series, and even their Quadro series as per the customer requirement. So we have the compatibility with entire range of the NVIDIA cards for our data center solution also. It's already launched in, we have already done tie-up with NVIDIA, and we have already closed 3 orders also for 3Gen GPU servers. This is a very specific offering where NVIDIA is giving their entire AI stack with 50 AI frameworks, 3-4 beta applications from the NVIDIA, plus also they are giving the NVIDIA GPU cloud access for the entire 3 years, the warranty period for the 3Gen GPU servers. So this offering is actually in collaboration with NVIDIA only. That's why we are getting an advantage, and we are already, with the launch, we have already started getting orders. Right now, we can see next 2-3 years are only for the cloud actually. Because of COVID, we picked a pace, and this pace will grow further, because you have seen that all the corporates are going public actually on the public cloud. The reason is they want to give work from home to the all employees, and they want the flexibility of hours also. That's why the data center business will grow a lot. Even I have seen the new companies which are coming in data center space, they are also getting good customer base. So I can see that data center business will grow, and same way, because we are into data center solutions, so our business will also grow accordingly. So market is growing, specifically data center and the cloud services, they are growing at a very fast pace. I want to say that just check our performance and technology. Never go with Gartner and IDC. Sometimes you just check the companies which are not in Gartner may be performing better than the companies which are in Gartner. So dare to come to us. We will show that how much performance we can give. 20 million IOPS in HCI cluster and more than 300 GB per second in the storage cluster. So that kind of performance we are giving.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.